Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious milkshake using your Ninja blender. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, your favorite ice cream, and any flavorings you desire, like chocolate syrup or fruit. For the best results, always start with a good quality ice cream. Make sure your Ninja blender is clean and ready to go before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable blending experience. Now let's get blending. Start by pouring your milk into the Ninja blender cup. Next, add your scoops of ice cream, followed by any solid mix-ins such as cookies or fruit. Secure the lid tightly. Select the smoothie or milkshake setting on your Ninja, or blend on high until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. Avoid over-blending to maintain thickness. The best part about making milkshakes at home is customizing them. Feel free to experiment with various flavor combinations, perhaps adding a banana, some cocoa powder, or a shot of espresso. If your shake is too thick, add a splash more milk. For a thicker consistency, add another scoop of ice cream. Once it's perfect, pour your delicious creation into a chilled glass and top it with whipped cream, sprinkles, or a cherry. Here are a few pro tips for your Ninja milkshake mastery. For an extra thick shake, try using slightly less milk or adding a few ice cubes to the blend. Always clean your Ninja blender components immediately after use. This prevents residue from drying and makes cleanup much easier. And hey, if you're looking to streamline your kitchen routine, make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to those, plus other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.